Assalamu alaikum everyone. Our intention today is to move our body to release neck pain and back pain, inshallah. Let's begin. Find a seated position and sit tall. Let's take this moment to bring ourselves in the present moment. Be here and choose something you can focus on. Maybe it's the sound of the birds, or maybe your breath. Inhale, fill your belly and fill your chest with air. Exhale, slowly bring your right ear to your right shoulder. You may use your hand for support. Inhale, center, and exhale, left ear to the left shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale, back again on the right side. Feel the stretch on the side and keep doing it. Keep your shoulders relaxed and breathe slowly. Let's do it one more time together. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Now center your head and look down. Lift your head and slightly look up. Back down. Feel the stretch in the back of the neck. And back up. Inhale. Look down. Exhale. Slowly at your own pace. Keep going and keep breathing. If your neck allows a deeper stretch without any pain, you may do it. If there is any pain, take it slowly. Feel the muscles as much as you can. Stretching out these muscles will help you tremendously with the neck pain. Exhale down. Center your head and sit tall. Now, lift your shoulders up to your ears as you inhale. Exhale, let your shoulders down slowly. Breathe in, lift them up. Exhale, gently put your shoulders away from the ears. Keep doing it and remember your point of focus, the birds or your breath or whatever you chose. Now if you feel ready, you may start to circle your shoulders in one direction. Circle up, inhale, and circle down, exhale. Keep your movement together with the breath. 2 more circles in this direction. Now let us circle the opposite direction. Inhale up. Exhale down. The body is still and the spine is straight. Only the shoulders are moving. Let's do 2 more circles. Take a deep inhale, and when you exhale, put your right arm next to you for support. Now stretch your left arm up and over, side bend to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, side bend to the left. Inhale, center. Let's do it a few more times. Inhale, center. Keep your arms at the level of the shoulders. Exhale, bend deeper to the left. And when you feel ready, let's switch into a seated position to do some spinal waves. Grab your thighs with your hands, feet are hip distance apart. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round your back and look towards your navel. Inhale, arch your back and look up. Exhale, round your back. Move slowly with your breath and let the head follow the spine naturally. No forcing and no pain. Continue at your own pace. Come into a neutral position whenever you feel ready and extend your legs. Flex your feet, engage your thighs, and sit straight. Now, when you feel ready, imagine there is a thread at the top of your head, pulling you up. Now lengthen your spine, inhale upwards, and exhale slowly and long. Great job. Now let's come into an easy pose. Cross your legs and put your arms forward. Put your right hand above the left and wrap your arms around you. You may stay in this position, or if you'd like and it feels comfortable, you may interlace your arms between each other. Let's stay in this position for 5 more breaths. Sit tall, relax your shoulders and keep your elbows up. If you feel ready, let's switch to the other side. Release your arms, put your left arm above the right arm and hug yourself. Feel free to stay in this position, but if it feels comfortable, you may interlace your arms up. 5 more breaths. Straighten your spine, relax your shoulders, lift your elbows. If you are ready, release your arms and let's prepare the next position. Come forward to a tabletop position. Make sure your wrists are underneath your shoulders and your knees are underneath your hips, and slowly shift to a child pose position. Inhale, lift up to hands and knees, slide your hips forward, lift a little bit the chest. Slowly exhale and come back to your hands and your knees and down to a child pose. Let's do this a few more rounds. Inhale, come forward, lift your chest, don't open your shoulders, and then exhale, slowly go down. Inhale, tabletop, lift your chest, squeeze your buttocks, exhale, tabletop, and back down. Let's do 2 more rounds and make sure you're breathing. On your next exhale, come to a kneeling position and take a moment to neutralize your spine. Lift yourself up and kneel with knees hip distance apart. Hands are on the hips for support and fingertips are facing upwards. Inhale, lift the chest and roll the shoulders back. Slowly lean back and do a little back bend. If it feels comfortable and if you have no pain, you may dive deeper into the back bend. Just keep it safe and comfortable for you. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax in this pose. On your next exhale, slowly take your time to come back to a neutral position. And now comes my second favorite part of the practice. Come to a tabletop position and lift your right arm up as you inhale. Exhale, thread your right arm underneath your left and let your shoulder and head rest on the floor. Optionally, you may put your left hand behind your hips. But whatever you do, relax all the muscles you do not need right now, like your jaw or your eyes. Slowly prepare yourself to switch on the opposite side. Inhale, lift yourself up. Lift your right arm up and over. Exhale, back onto a tabletop position. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, thread it underneath your right arm. Just relax and do nothing. Let your muscles have a little break, as well as your mind. Slowly lift yourself up. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, come to a neutral position and let's lay on our back. Feet are hip distance apart and put your left ankle above your right knee. Inhale, lift your right foot up and grab your thigh with your hands. While this pose may be simple, it is absolutely necessary for reducing lower back tension. Take a deep inhale, and when you exhale, release your arms and twist your legs to the right, while your head is looking towards your left. This position helps us to reset our spine and balance out our back bend we did earlier. Inhale, come to center, and let's do everything on the other side. So put your right ankle above your left knee and lift your leg up, grabbing your thigh with your hands. Breathe in and listen to the birds. Inhale, let go of your thigh and put your right foot above the left and let your legs fall on your left while you look towards the right. Adjust your position as necessary. You should feel comfortable. You should be able to relax in this pose. Lift your legs up and come to a neutral position. Stretch your legs long and let your feet fall open. Hands by your side, palms up. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. Now comes my favorite part. Let's practice remembrance of Allah or Dhikr Allah. Remembering Allah with every inhalation and every exhalation for our last part of the session. If your mind flies away, just bring yourself back and remember Allah. As our session slowly comes to an end, come on your right side and slowly lift yourself up. Take a deep breath in and continue to remember Allah. Alhamdulillah, and thank you so much for watching.